Welcome to episode 7 of Serverless AWS Lambda series. I am Asif Khan and you are watching DevDynamoAk. In this episode, we will explore AWS Lambda version management and how to efficiently prune old code versions to optimize your serverless function. Keeping your code lean and your versions under control is key to maintaining a smooth and effective Lambda setup. So let's dive right in. So guys, I was in the AWS Lambda and to-do app def get to-dos function. And if I will go to versions now, you can see here currently I was having only one version. Now what I will do, I will go to code and just I will do here npm run deploy. Okay. So guys, if you anyone is new to this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and also follow these previous videos so that you can understand what we are doing here. Okay. So let's wait our code till so guys, you can see our code has successfully deployed. Okay, already we have deployed and we are having one chance. Let's just see the other version has reflected or not. So guys, you can see this is our old version and new version has came. Okay, if I will do some change and if I will push the code it again, so another version will come here. Okay, and whatever the if you have pushed the code 100 times, it will come one by one. Okay. So in order to manage this, we will do some changes in our code. So what I will do here, so I was in our code. So if I will go to package.json, you can see one package we have already installed. Uh, okay, so the package name is prune something like that. Okay, there is a prune. Okay, this is one. This is one. You can see serverless prune. Okay, so we will use this one. Okay, so in the plugins I will add here just serverless less hyphen uh, prune plugin. Okay, so I have added this, and next to what you have to do, just write here custom and insert that prune. Okay, and after that, so I'll come down and auto automatic. Okay, automatic true. Okay, and next thing you have to give number how much version you want to maintain. Okay, so I want to maintain only one version. So you can see if I will come here. So for every code, every functionality is having two versions. So how many versions you want? Okay, previous version you can maintain from here. To show to you, I will give here one. So what it means, the new version will be reflected and other two version will be gone. Okay. So from here, this version will not be there. Let's try it. I'll save this and just I will deploy the code now. Okay. So npm run deploy, hit enter. So guys, if you haven't watched the previous video, you can follow the playlist. The playlist link was in the description. Okay. So guys, you can see our code has successfully deployed. So if you I will access any of the from this, we can able to access. Okay. So just I will go to now here and I will refresh this. Okay. Let's see how many version we will be there. You can see guys, currently it has only one version. Okay, if I will again deploy the code, the another version will come. Okay, if you want to maintain some versions, you can maintain that up to 5, up to 3. Okay, like that. Just you need what you need to do, just you have to change the number from here. Okay, just go here and change the number. Okay, so thanks for watching this episode on AWS version management and code pruning. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DevDynamoAk and share it with others who are looking to optimize their serverless architecture. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next episode on DevDynamoAk.